What's up, everybody? I am Paul Jarvis. I am the co-founder of Fathom Analytics, a simple privacy-focused website analytics tool. And today I want to talk to you about the top 5 reasons that you should check out our software, Fathom Analytics. Got my cat hoodie on, ready to go. And yes, I realize that this title is clickbait. I accept that. So you may be thinking, but Paul, Google Analytics is free and Fathom Analytics costs money. Well, my friend, let me tell you, because we're all friends here. Just because Google Analytics doesn't charge you money, it doesn't mean it's free. Google isn't a charity and they don't run a business just to be nice to other people. They don't charge you because they make so much money off of all of our data. Whereas Fathom, we charge a fair price for the software that we have, and so you aren't the product, you pay for the product. It's a very different business model. We think ours is more ethical, but I'll let you be the judge. So let's get into it. The top 5 reasons why I think you should be using Fathom Analytics. So reason number 1, ease of use. Other analytics platforms require training or a whole bunch of certification, and really, they are thousands of pages of reports, whereas Fathom is 1 page of analytics. It's everything you need all in one place. So sure, Fathom is less data than something like Google Analytics, but do you really need all of that data? What are you using it for? What are you doing with all of that data, friend? And all of those features, of course, are pretty simple. So the first feature is email reports. We send those out monthly or weekly. It's your choice. You can send unlimited reports to unlimited people. The second feature that Fathom Analytics has that most other platforms don't is custom domains. We'll get to this in a moment, but basically you can get around ad blockers and see the full scope of the data. You can see data on all of the people who visit your site, and they're all privacy protected when they use Fathom. Third is shared dashboards. So your dashboard by default is private, but you can set it to shared with a password to share it just with some people, or you can make it open so anybody on the internet can see your data. The next thing is uptime monitoring. We can alert you if your site is down, so you'll be the first to know if there's a problem with your website. And we send SMS, Telegram, Slack, email. If your site is down, we can let you know, and we send unlimited uptime monitoring notifications. So regardless of what plan you pay for, you get all of those features for free. So reason number 2 to check out Fathom is custom domains. I alluded to this a second ago, but Fathom allows you to have custom domains. And if you're like, why does that even matter, nerd? Well, custom domains allow you to make it look like your script is coming from a custom domain on your website. Why this is important is because it gets around ad blockers. And sure, ad blockers are great because they help keep you private, but because Fathom Analytics is privacy-focused analytics, we're on the same team. So we don't think getting around ad blockers is bad or wrong in any way. We want you to see the full picture of your data, right? So with Google Analytics, from 30% all the way up to 50% of people may not be tracked in Google Analytics because they use ad blockers. So with Google Analytics, you're only getting 70% to 50% of the traffic tracked in your analytics software. Whereas with Fathom, you're getting everything. So you can see all the people that come to your website, anonymously of course. You can see where all of the conversions happen if you use goals. You just get a clearer and better picture of all of the data versus just some of the data. So reason number 3, and this kind of relates to everything, and that's privacy. So Fathom Analytics is built with privacy in mind from the ground up. We started the company to be privacy focused. And really we do this because when you're browsing the internet, there's kind of a digital inventory that kind of follows you around as you navigate to websites, as you load other websites. This digital inventory isn't accessible to you, but it's storing information about you, it's storing your tastes, the things you're interested in, is looking at all the stuff that you're looking at, and then that data is used to target you with ads later or to try to influence your political views or to do all sorts of bad things. But when you go to a website that uses Fathom, that digital inventory isn't tracked. It's blocked, we don't collect it, we don't store it. So all that we do is add that to a tally of these are the pages that that person looked at, this is the website that that person came from, all other data is scrubbed. So on top of that, Fathom doesn't share any personal data or any data whatsoever between different websites. So there's nothing that can follow you around because the data that is collected about visitors to Fathom websites is only stored anonymously per site. It doesn't go from site to site to site to site following you around. So basically, privacy achieved. Reason number 4 is GDPR. So unless you're our privacy officer, hey Ree, you may not care about privacy laws or regulations or what the European government is doing to protect its citizens. Obviously, this is really important. Normal people don't typically care about this stuff. But what you should care about, and what most people do care about, is cookie notices. So when they appear on your website and they block a bunch of stuff on your site, those things are annoying. Those things take up load time, which affects your SEO. Who wants to see your website for the first time and get one of those annoying? By using this website, you are complying to the cookie policy and privacy notices. With Fathom Analytics, we are GDPR compliant. Because we anonymously track people on websites that use us, you're compliant, so you don't have to use those cookie notices, so your site can load beautifully the way nature intended it to, if nature loaded websites. With Fathom, your website will look better, it'll load faster, and it'll be less annoying. So reason number 5 is speed and scale. And there's a lot to unpack here, so let's start with speed. So Fathom script is about 2 kilobytes, whereas Google Analytics script is about 46 kilobytes. Technically, if you use Fathom Analytics instead of Google Analytics, your site will load faster, which is better for SEO. So Fathom is actually better for Google search rankings than Google Analytics is. Game, set, match, Big Daddy G. So that's speed. Now let's talk about scale. So Fathom is a team of 2. It's myself and it's Jack. And we like to keep our overhead really low so our customers get the most benefit for the price they pay. But that said, we also invest very heavily in the way that Fathom works, in the server architecture. So our software is built on enterprise level, industry leading architecture that is heckin' fast and highly redundant. Meaning whenever somebody loads your website, regardless of where they are in the world, the script doesn't slow your website down. So if you're looking at the dashboard and you're a customer, you can load all of the data very, very fast because we have industry leading architecture. So if you have 10 views a month or 100 billion, million, thousand views a month, then our servers can easily handle it and everything you need loads quickly. So that's one of the main reasons that Fathom Analytics is trusted by thousands of small business customers, Fortune 500s, pioneers of the open web, and governments around the world. That's because they trust our analytics are going to work for them and going to be fast when they load. So this is a bonus because it wouldn't be, I guess, a clickbaity YouTube video without a bonus 6. And that is our referral program. So we pay people to refer their friends and their customers, maybe their frenemies, to us, and we pay a 25% lifetime commission. So if somebody uses your referral code to sign up for our software, you get paid 25% every single month for as long as they are customers. And some of our customers actually get paid more to use our software than they pay us, which is what is known in the industry as a win-win-win. You win because you get a 25% commission. The person you referred wins because they get $10 free credit with Fathom. And we win because we get more customers and we love our customers. So if you're curious about that, my friends, you can head over to usefathom.com/affiliates to learn all about the referral program and start making money. You don't even need to be a customer to sign up. So friends, that's it. Those are the 5, or I guess 6 reasons that you should check out and start using Fathom Analytics. So the first was it's easy to use. The second was you can track all of your traffic because we use custom domains. So third is we care about the privacy of everybody on the internet. The fourth is no annoying cookie notices because we're GDPR compliant. The fifth is that we've got speed and scale out the wazoo so we can handle your website when it goes viral for the funny cat videos you post or normal business things. And the bonus is that you can make money by promoting Fathom to your peeps. So that's it. That's the video. Thanks for checking it out. As the kids say, smash the like or subscribe. I don't know. Do the things. But more importantly, check out Fathom Analytics by going to usefathom.com. See you later.